Hey everybody, it is week 26, and this is the week that we're going to be doing performance checks and certification testing, both on site, both in the lab requirements for the NCCR Cert Welding 1 that we're working on. The certification testing is going to be driven through the study guides. You guys have the study guides listed in Monday. Complete that for a major grade, and then we're going to start doing the on-site testing starting on Tuesday going forward. Also, we're going to be doing the performance reviews starting Tuesday going forward. We will not be doing any performance reviews or testing on-site after noon on Friday. So therefore, if you want to get anything done on Friday, you have to do it during the day and be a face-to-face person. But for your virtual guys, you need to come in on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to get that done. We'll set up the scheduling and the time probably on Monday during Zoom class. Also, on the performance reviews, when you're here for performance reviews, if you show up late or you don't have your correct PPE, or if you leave early before things are cleaned up, those are going to be reductions in your grade. You have to participate both in the being on time, being dressed correctly, performing the performance review, then cleaning up and putting up. It's not fair. One or two guys should be staying here late in the afternoons cleaning up when everybody else, just scoots out of here and doesn't participate. Shop maintenance, shop care, taking care of your equipment, participating in all of those are functions of an industrial work site, and they're an employment skill. The awareness that I have to do that, the actual performing of those various tasks, those are mission critical to being an employable industrial workforce person. That's all I got for right now. To be continued.